already recording.
RJ, look. Right? There's someone in her vagina. There's someone in her vagina.
That's weird.
There's someone in her vagina. There's a wolf in her vagina. Oh my gosh. There's a wolf in her vagina. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit.
No, it's just a black kitty.
A black kitty. A black kitty. That's racist.
Hello Kitty is only with the red bow. That's
Would you
very
get dream, believe, or happy?
good. Believe.
Me too. Alyssa chose dream.
I want dream.
That means you have to get happy.
Believe
Gosh.
and put on this necklace.
I want believe.
Because this would match with anything I wear.
This doesn't make sense. When your necklace wears off.
When your necklace falls off, your wish will come true.
It means if you lose
There, it
it.
falls off. It did come
Your
true.
neck, you stupid.
Here's your stuff too.
How come it's so blurry?
RJ.
Dude, let's go. Let's go to.
Let's go to the Lego store.
Let's go Lego store now. Come on, we're like one of the guys. Come on, we always hang with the guys. That's why we have this guy.
So we're gonna skip school and go to Sunnyvale.
What the hell? No, we're not.
They're at
Charlotte's thing. Charlotte Roos.
I'm gonna watch.
I know, huh? We're gonna build minis. Oh my gosh, we should build the minis. All the children are here. We're gonna hurt them.
Jordans and this Macy's here.
Huh?
Unless it's freaking Jordans. Look, the Titanic. It's sinking.
Dude, that's a fireboat.
Titanic.
It's Titanic. Oh my gosh. It's the Titanic twirling. What's up around you?
La 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 la.
$50 for that shit? Yeah. Paulo has Legos, and it's like soldiers and zombies and shit. Hollywood. OMG, they just made a person. How freaking cool.
Where's Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber. That's a limo. Oh, Justin Bieber's in the limo.
It's not supposed to be. I shall live in that in the future.
That's what RJ's gonna live in.
Juliana.
Wonderful.
Buy a house. We're gonna live in it. Look, Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Bloody hell.
RJ's impression of Ron Weasley. Interesting. I hate that girl. Hella scares me.
Who's that girl?
The one that yells.
Hagrid?
Why are there two Harrys? Holy shit.
Because there's two separate things.
Nuh-uh.
Is that Ron Weasley's house?
Yes, it is. It is on Weasley's house.
Look, there's his owl.
And that's
Hagrid's place.
Sure.
How do you know?
Because it is.
You're gonna.
No, it's the burrow and Hagrid's hut.
See?
Which one's the burrow?
Burrow, that one, Hagrid's hut.
You would know.
Alyssa's plate we got from Cinnabon. Alyssa's plate we got from Cinnabon.
Oh my god, it's so hot for an emergency.
The Tele Filipino.
Look, it said attacking spider and controls those other spiders.
Dude, let's go build up a workshop.
Oh, now you want to go.
I want to go to the play town.
Dude, we're gonna like trample those little kids.
No, we're not. We planned.
Alright, we'll go after. I remember I played on this
Oh
one.
my god, we cannot go. We can take the hill over there.
Do I?
Oh my god.
I have one. Crocs. Cox.
She doesn't have a shirt.
It doesn't have nipples.
Freaking orange.
I do want to hang out with them.
They're boring, huh? There's no fluff in them.
RJ, how come you didn't want to hang out with the other girls?
Huh?
How come you didn't want to hang out with them?
Cause we're cooler, huh?
Freaking yellow. Oh my gosh, it's iCarly. Oh, it's Wizard of the
Freaking orange.
He's excited.
This is a flavor place. Oh my
She's
god.
so hot.
Hell yeah.
She topped you, Carly Shay. Pepe Russo. Justin Pepe Russo.
It's been 7 minutes.
They have Max Russo. I'm your probation officer.
Oh my gosh, dude.
We used to have that top outfit.
I want to do my own Build-A-Bear.
And then it had this one too. I always had this outfit.
I want to do my
Yours
own.
was a boy? Mine was a
Mine
girl.
was a boy because I just
Mine was a girl. I didn't even get to choose mine. Mine was for my birthday when I turned 11.
over.
When? I didn't say. If it was.
You guys should have told me to bring my Build-A-Bear. We could have dressed it up and shit.
Didn't know.
Let's just jack these.
No, RJ.
So RJ, choose an outfit. Choose an outfit.
Giants.
Vaginas.
This one.
Vaginas. Those are
Vagiants.
fucking
There's a bee in her vagina.
There's a wolf in her vagina. Oh shit. It's the best time to wear a striped sweater.
It's not a turtleneck.
Oh,
It's not a turtleneck.
it's a striped sweater.
I love giants.
I have. Mine is what is it called? Mine's a butterfly. That was my costume, a butterfly. She texted Dylan on Geraldine and Christopher.
Are you that bored to be with us?
It was in the pizza place. I got hella bored.
I know, right?
I was about to
You're
throw
so
up.
perverted. That's too
I
cute.
was about to throw up. The pizza wasn't that good. No bear should leave here bare. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Accessories make the bear. Choose colors that... Did you just sit on that?
Yeah.
I would. It's a bed. Dude, this is hella
Jolena
soft.
and Alyssa.
Why do I have to get the girly one? Shit.
I want the girly one
Shall
and
rest in
matches.
peace.
Look. I'll take my plate and just one.
Dude, I want a boy Build-A-Bear and then I'll dress it up in
So
all
we
this
can
shit.
fuck with it. Instead of
And then-
Christopher.
You're mean. Yeah, and I'll name it Christopher. I want a boy builder bear. Named it Christopher.
Undo him.
Okay, sure.
Make a noise.
Right.
It doesn't make noise.
He's so
Alyssa.
popular.
Who's so
Look
popular?
at this.
What?
Look at the zipper. It won't go up, look, or else it's gonna show the thing. It's gonna show.
Shows the penis or vagina in.
Or the butt.
Look at my hat.
Because you can wear pants backwards.
These are cute.
I think the butt. Ew, nice. It's not
Focus. Why won't it focus, RJ?
too small.
We have a panda.
It can only support my thing.
Okay, I'm gonna stop
This
this
can
in.
support your You need underwear to support your thing. And then you need education to support yourself.
You need something to support you. Here, let's get some shoes, okay?
Oh, he got a Build-A-Bear lucky dude.
Here's my jacket.
Not mean, RJ. Hold my plate.
Camera. Conceited bitches.
You know you can take pictures while video recording.
Wow, we did it. Okay, let's do this. Alyssa, you're not in it.
Whoa, your butt was in the way.
You're mean.
Your turn. Your turn.
I'm next.
I'm next.
I can fit all of you in here. Come here, both of you. One on each side.
We shall stop this.